the perfect hidden subwoofer. Most desktop office areas only have so much space to go around. That's why, if you want the best sound, you have to sacrifice that space for a subwoofer. Well, no more. Dayton Audio has created the MKSX4. This low-profile subwoofer physically has a very small footprint while still offering amazing low end for a 2.1 system. It can do so by utilizing 4 passive woofers and dual slot ports to minimize turbulence and maximize the bass. The MKSX4 is a perfect match for any product in the MK line and is ideal for an amp like the DTA2.1. Keep the sound, drop the size with the MKSX4, only at Parts Express.